Hello everyone, I am Ankush and today I am going to demonstrate my end-term project for Industry AI at scale. My roll number is Ch24M514. So this project was about a whole pipeline which is used in a machine learning project. So I have tried to make a full comprehensive pipeline and fulfill most of the requirement asked in the assignment, like TVC kit and logging and ML flow, everything. So let's start with the demo. So I have make a virtual machine because most of the libraries are not supported on Windows. So we have to go to a Linux machine to complete most of our tasks. So So this is the remote SSH of my file where we have created a structure like data, Docker, DVC log, DVC YAML matrix, and I have uploaded all the files in my Git repository. You can have a look here, and I have mentioned all the steps which will be required to recreate what I have created. So everything is installed. I will also give a script file, a single click script file, which will uh, clone the Git, run the Docker and set up, and then test the API as well, give print accordingly. So since here I will try to uh, reproduce, but because most I have not make changes in last few uh, iterations, so I will going to there will be no changes in every stages. So I can show you the metrics though. So these are the accuracies, precision, AUC and F1 I got. I have put all the commands which will be required to access these in my readme file, like here also. So I have integrated MLflow UI as well. These are the metrics, and here is my ML flow where you can trace the status. Now we will proceed with the demo. There are other options as well, like you can run the evaluate.py and it will tell you the metrics and everything in a structured manner. Evaluate.py is essentially evaluating the model. It is going to predict everything model evaluation accuracy and score, which is stored in matrix anyway. So it is going to print the same. Let's go through it first. As you can see, it has been printed. Moreover, so I am following GitHub README just because so that any tester can follow and test accordingly. So now we can deploy our API, and so since screen is recording, it is asking me to close a window and then start other window, not letting me to switch. So let's first run the API, and then on other terminal we can run this Python so those test API as well. So I'm going to run it myself. Python src test network API.py. So as you can see, there will be a accordingly print on server as well. So it is telling me that it is giving 200 status OK. So which means our API server is running fine. So here we can see how we can, you know, we have predicted everything on basis of like I have tried to make a categorized prediction so that evaluate.py would be a fruitful one. So you can have a look. So this is my project. Also, I have created a one-click installation file as well. If you want to run it in a single go, you can just download this script, which will be in my GitHub repository, and you just need to run it from here to here. It will create the Docker in the local machine, create what I have installed uh, through my requirements or text, and it will create the whole in our environment. It will create the model parameters and will evaluate. I will run evaluate.py as I have shown in the demo accordingly. Hope this is sufficient. If anything is required, everything is on my GitHub repository. You can have a look, and I will be attaching a report as well, in which I have created some images and matrices like graphs as well. So I have make a confusion matrix, ROC curve. This is my ROC curve, and this is my confusion matrix. I have also created a drift report.json as well.